Romano holding foul. Hermoso in. Villamor to Villaran. Back to Villamor. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Villamor inside. Hermoso makes no. Cese to Vivas. Turnover at the second quarter. Score still 13-10. Hermoso to Villaran. Post up from deep. Logo. Rebound. Hanap yung dalawa. Half step. Pinasa kay Almoguera. To Hermoso. Inside. Back to Almoguera. To Villaran. To Mortel. Mid-range. Logo. Kaya pala na bola. Mortel. Drive. Post up. Yes. 2 points, Mr. Mortel. Almoguera with 30 seconds remaining. Almoguera. Mortel. To Villamor. Villamor, top of the key. To Mortel, 25 seconds remaining. Hinarap si Mr. Vivas. 10 to shoot, 20 seconds remaining. Hinarap si Mr. Villamor. Almoguera, drive, inside. Villamor with the rebound. Bola, pupunta sa natin. Bola na mga talagang pitching. Intentional foul.
Hi guys! Dad?